Ever wondered how AI video generation platforms are changing the content creation landscape? The rise of artificial intelligence in this field is truly a game changer, ushering in a new era of digital content creation. It's not just about software anymore, it's about the intersection of creativity and machine learning. Platforms like these are becoming increasingly crucial for creators who want to stay ahead of the curve. So let's dive into some of these platforms and understand how they differ. First off, we have platforms like Lumen 5 and Synthesia. Lumen 5 is an AI-driven platform that's designed to transform text into video content. It's perfect for bloggers, social media marketers, and educators who want to repurpose their written content into dynamic videos. One of the key strengths of Lumen 5 is its ease of use. You simply input your text, and the AI does the work of matching scenes with appropriate visuals. It's a real game changer for those who don't have a background in video editing. However, it does have its limitations. The AI doesn't always get the visual context right, and while there's a vast library of stock footage, it might not always be exactly what you're looking for. When it comes to pricing, Lumen 5 offers a range of plans from a free tier to premium options. On the other hand, we have Synthesia. This platform offers an innovative take on video generation by creating AI-driven video avatars. This means you can create videos with virtual presenters, making it a great tool for corporate training or explainer videos. The quality of results is impressive, with avatars that move and speak in a lifelike manner. The ease of use is also a strong point for Synthesia. You write the script, choose your avatar, and the platform does the rest. However, the trade-off is a lack of personalization. The avatars are generic, and while you can select from a range of appearances, you can't customize them to look like a specific person. With regards to pricing, Synthesia operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which can be a pro or a con depending on your usage. In conclusion, both Lumen 5 and Synthesia offer different approaches to AI video generation. Whether it's transforming text into video with Lumen 5 or creating lifelike video avatars with Synthesia, each platform has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. While these platforms have their strengths, there are other options in the market that offer unique features. Moving on, we have platforms like Deepart and Daz 3D. These unconventional players in the AI video generation field are offering unique and exciting features that are reshaping the way we create content. Let's start with Deepart. This platform is a game changer, especially for creators who want to infuse their videos with an artistic touch. Deepart uses AI to transform your videos into moving pieces of art, reminiscent of famous artists like Van Gogh or Picasso. The user experience is remarkably straightforward, allowing you to upload your video, choose your desired style, and let the AI do the rest. However, this unique approach comes with its own set of challenges. The primary disadvantage is that the rendering process can be time-consuming, especially for longer videos. And while Deepart offers a free version, the premium services, which provide higher resolution and faster rendering, come with a price tag. On the other side, we have Daz 3D. This platform is a treasure trove for 3D animation enthusiasts. With Daz 3D, you get access to a robust library of 3D models, props, and scenes, which you can animate using their intuitive interface. But what truly sets Daz 3D apart is its focus on character creation and animation, making it a favorite among game designers and filmmakers. However, Daz 3D is not without its drawbacks. The sheer volume of features and tools can be overwhelming for beginners. And while the base software is free, the cost can quickly add up with the purchase of additional models and assets. As we can see, each platform brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're an artist looking to transform your work into a moving masterpiece, or a filmmaker wanting to bring your characters to life in a 3D world, there's a platform out there ready to cater to your creative needs. So don't be afraid to explore these unconventional players and see how they can elevate your content creation game. It's clear that there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to AI video generation platforms. Navigating the crowded landscape of AI video generation platforms can feel like a daunting task. Each platform comes with its own unique set of features, and choosing the right one requires careful consideration of several key factors. First and foremost, understanding your specific needs is crucial. Are you a large corporation looking to create high-quality promotional videos? Or perhaps you're a small content creator wanting to produce engaging, visually stunning clips for your online audience? Your needs will dictate the type of platform that will serve you best. Some platforms are designed for heavy-duty, professional use, while others cater to more casual users. Next, consider your budget. The cost of AI video generation platforms can vary widely. Some offer a basic set of features for free, while others come with a hefty price tag. It's important to find a balance between cost and functionality. Remember, the most expensive platform isn't always the best one. It's about finding the platform that offers the best value for your money. Quality requirements should also come into play. If your content needs to be of broadcast quality, you'll want to opt for a platform with high-end rendering capabilities. On the other hand, if you're creating content for social media or other online platforms, a more basic user-friendly tool might be sufficient. Lastly, consider ease of use. A platform could have all the bells and whistles, but if it's not user-friendly, it could end up being more of a hindrance than a help. Look for platforms with intuitive interfaces and strong customer support. This will allow you to focus more on creating amazing content and less on technical troubleshooting. In the end, the choice boils down to what fits your requirements the best. So, take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your future videos will thank you for it. AI is certainly reshaping the way we create content, but what does the future hold? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence enhances video generation to such an extent that the line between reality and virtuality blurs. That's not a distant reality, but rather a glimpse of what the future of AI in video generation could look like. With AI, we're looking at a future where the quality of video content sees a significant leap. AI algorithms can learn, adapt, and evolve, enabling them to generate high-quality videos with stunning visual effects that would take a human much longer to create. But the advancements aren't just limited to quality. Imagine the level of customization AI could bring. Every frame, every scene could be tailored to the viewer's preferences, creating a truly personalized viewing experience. And let's not forget about accessibility. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we can expect video generation tools to become more user-friendly, making it easier for anyone to create professional-grade videos. But as we venture into this brave new world, we must also consider the challenges and ethical implications. How do we ensure the authenticity of content? How do we prevent deepfakes and misinformation? These are just some of the questions that we need to address as we continue to push the boundaries of AI in video generation. While the future of AI in video generation is exciting, it's important to navigate this space with a clear understanding and ethical considerations. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. We dived into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative role in video generation. We've seen how it's not just the usual suspects making waves, but also unconventional players bringing unique perspectives. We compared different platforms, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. We discussed crucial factors to consider when choosing a platform, such as ease of use, the range of features, cost-effectiveness, and the level of creative control it offers. We also looked ahead, exploring the exciting future of AI in video generation. We predicted more sophisticated tools, increased accessibility, and a further blurring of the lines between human and machine creativity. And with that, we've arrived at the end of our journey. Remember, the best platform for you is the one that fits your needs, budget, and creative vision. Keep exploring, keep creating,